Waxing seems simple, until it isn't. After years of experience, I still made mistakes. Pain, redness, irritation, all of it. I made errors so you don't have to. Let's discuss what not to do when it comes to Brazilian waxing. I've been waxing for years, and I still make mistakes. No one talks about the learning curve. It's easy to think you're doing it right until your skin reacts. I made simple mistakes that caused discomfort and irritation. This video is here to help you avoid those problems. Whether you are new or experienced, there's always something to learn. Let's go over the biggest waxing mistakes I've made. Mistake number 1, skipping exfoliation. I thought it wasn't important. I was wrong. Dead skin traps hair and leads to painful ingrowns. Gentle exfoliation before your appointment makes all the difference. Mistake number 2, not drinking enough water beforehand. When you're dehydrated, your skin is more sensitive. Tight skin makes the wax pull harder and hurts more. Just drinking water the day before can ease the pain. Mistake number 3, ignoring aftercare completely. I'd leave the salon and act like nothing happened. Tight jeans. Bad idea. Harsh soaps. Even worse. Your skin is sensitive after waxing. Treat it like it just got a facial. Most of the damage happens after the wax. I used to shower in hot water right afterward. Big mistake, it worsens redness and irritation. I also touched the area too much. That leads to bacteria and breakouts. Now I stick to fragrance-free moisturizers and cotton underwear. I avoid exercise for 24 hours and skip the sauna or hot bath. Simple changes keep your skin smooth and healthy. Not all wax is created equal. Hard wax is better for sensitive areas. It pulls less and hurts less. Soft wax covers larger areas but may cause more irritation. Sugaring is a great natural alternative for some skin types. The key is trial and error. Find what works for you. Don't hesitate to speak up at your appointment. Let your waxer know your preferences and concerns. They're professionals, so they're there to help you feel comfortable. Unsure? Explore other options like laser or epilation. Waxing isn't the only choice. Your comfort comes first. Waxing is personal, and it can be painful. But it's also empowering. My mistakes taught me to care for my body better. They helped me build confidence, not just smoother skin. Don't let small setbacks discourage you. Embrace the journey, own your experience. You deserve to feel good in your own skin, no shame, no judgment. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Hit subscribe for more real talk on health and self-care. You've got this, and we've got you.